The Fair Price Shop Dealers, under the banner of Fair Price Shop Dealers Association, walked out from the meeting with officials of the Food and Civil Supplies Department after they did not get the clarification which they have sought on the new weighing machine which they were asked by the government to collect. Speaking to Reporters Association General Secretary Richard Kongwir said that the government should first introduce the weighing machine at the godown where they lift the PDS rice, since the quantity of the rice is always less.
Na kaliang hijong kini ke grup kibadan mentah barok kain kingila rai ngila sim kata ka anonymous decision ba barok nangi badan ni mata gimnum sim kini ka machine ka ba aru kalau ka appeal itu ki grup ki balawan swar ka jongi ba sumba punya snok tilang ba kinwan penpan no itu ki machine namar kini kijing le jong kini kijing introduce kum balawang iba mande kabiang kata introduction jo kata e-scale weighing machine ki biong kabiang ke sistem henry ka project begili kalau ka total failure kawan kidiban sedang sa nalor nagi sedang sa na siapa kumalong men na duna ukau ta ngin pendap kumno pi brok kata kajing pendap kedon kata kalau alung na kajing sutu bagi nong bam khaw mah hidon ki bomban sim kumta kay tali.
Parliamentary Party leader Tito